Do not let marketing agencies run your paid advertisements for you, because they'll either run picture ads for you, or they won't even write the scripts for you and get lazy and just put picture ads out into the marketplace so they can collect off you, because a lot of marketing agencies are overwhelmed with having too many clients, so they cannot focus on your business by itself. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get ahead of 99% of people with Facebook ads or any type of YouTube ads or Google ads, and talk about the concepts on what you can do to run the ads yourself up until $300, $400, $500,000 per month. You do not need anyone to run your ads for you below this number. You should be running the ads yourself. So guys, let's get started. So the first thing I would do here is I would run ads to video and picture. I would never just test one, because every industry is different. If you use picture ads, it might work good for you. If you use video ads, that might work better for you. So it really depends on your industry, what you're in. So that's why you have to do massive testing in the beginning. You have to test 50 to 100 different ads, half video, half picture, and even carousel ads to see what's gonna work better and get the highest quality leads for you. If you do not do this, you are never gonna know which is getting the best for you. If you just hire a marketing agency out of nowhere and you never ran your ads before, you don't even know if they're doing good. You don't know if they're putting the best ads in front of the market, and you don't even know if the calls are qualified until you take the sales calls and waste tens of thousands of dollars. So when we talk about running ads, is you wanna start scripting things in the market that's gonna have a really good hook. So you're gonna pull the user in with either a negative hook or a positive hook, or a question roping them in, or a shout out to your audience. And then the next thing is going to be 3 bullet points on why your service is good. Then you're going to show testimonials, and then you're going to close it off with basically telling them to click down below to watch your webinar, your demo, or to click below to buy your stuff if you have a low ticket program. So the step thing is, when having marketing agencies run things, is they want to do a lot of picture ads. A lot of them won't even write the scripts for you because they have so many clients they can't do that. So if you've never had the experience before, you won't even be able to catch them in their lies. So you want to be able to run the ads yourself to a certain extent until you can self-train someone. So it's always better to get someone that's ran ads and they're a solo entrepreneur, where they've ran ads for somebody else, but they're not an agency and are not running it for a bunch of people. And then you pay them super well with some type of commission, so that when you hire this person, you can self-train them to see the long-term vision in your business. When you hire that person into your business, you basically can get them in, train them up, and basically train them up to be an elite like you. If you've never had the experience before, then you won't be able to give that knowledge. So there's a lot of things in this video I'll talk about on how to scale your ads and what you can do to fully get a good test so you can see what's working better for you. So first thing you want to do is get some picture ads. Let's pretend you want to make 25 picture ads, and you're running a coaching consulting agency business, and you need 25 ideas for 25 ads. So you're going to go look what's in the market. You're going to go to facebook.com/ads on Google, and you're going to see if you can see the Facebook ads library. You're then going to get some inspiration by other creators, other people. You're not going to copy people. You're going to get your own creative concept, and then you're going to make something based on what they're doing. So if you're not an editor or web designer, you can go to fiverr.com and you can see it's basically who can edit your ads for you. Or if you're a bigger person, I would just hire someone full-time to start doing video editing and picture web designing for me. You can hire someone straight out of Brazil like I do. I have a full team of Brazilians that run our ads for our clients, and they are completely crushing it. So I highly suggest going out there. You can do that, and you can use different recruiting services on hiring people from there. And when using basically people from Brazil to design your picture ads and stuff like that, web designer, or you're getting someone from Fiverr, you can then have that person from Fiverr.com in Brazil, wherever it is, design something similar to what's already succeeding in your niche, and had your offer, your guarantee, or whatever way you're running this, and you're gonna basically smack that on your angle onto that type of picture. You're gonna change the colors, change the layout, make it similar, and get ideas. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab that one and you're gonna make that to 3 versions. You're gonna change the wording on one of them. You're gonna keep one the same, and then you're gonna change the colors. There's 3 ads right there already. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna do that again, and you're gonna do that about 4 to 5 times with picture ads. And then you're gonna get different concepts, different designs. You're gonna make 3 versions out of each one. Bam, you already had 25 angles right there already that fast. Next thing you're gonna do is the video as well. So for videos is you're gonna get a script. You're gonna write the script just like I said, how you're gonna hit it well in the beginning and a little bit in the beginning of the video that I talked about. And then you're gonna talk about, you're gonna make one ad, you're gonna get ideas, and you're gonna make your own script. You can make your own script and then record the ad and then make 3 different versions. So one's gonna be a raw version, one's gonna have a headline, and then one's gonna have a lot of editing. There's 3 different versions already right there for you for a video ad. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna record another ad. And you're gonna do about this 4 to 5 times just like the picture ads, and you're gonna do 3 versions of each ad. That's already 50 ads right there. Once you make those 50 ads, you can put them out into the marketplace. So when you make your ads, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make 1 campaign, 3 ads, 1 video, 2 picture, or 2 video, 2 pictures, 1 interest, or 1 lookalike audience, and you're gonna test that. And if you have a lot of budget, which is even better, if you have a lot of budget, you're gonna succeed faster. So you're gonna place that and you're gonna make that $30 right there. And you're gonna wait until you get a lead. You're gonna be looking for lead cost under $20, not at scale. So if it's $10 or $5, $15, you're gonna wait until that ad runs for 4 to 5 days. Reason being is because we want to spend up to $200 to $300 around to see if we get a booked call on one of those ads. If we get a booked call on one of those ads, what we're gonna do is we are going to duplicate the ad, which is going to create another version of that ad, and we're going to set that ad to $75. Once we set that ad to $75, you're going to shut off the ones that are not working on that ad, and you're going to let it run the one that's winning, and that winning is going to grow. So it's going to get you more calls faster, and you're going to keep them both running. Then that's how you're going to scale that ad right there, those 3 ads. Then you're going to do that a bunch. All those 50 ads you're going to do, you can test. If you don't have a budget, you can always test slowly too. You can start off with like 5 to 10 and start off slowly doing that. Or if you have a lot of budget, you can launch all 50. So you could do 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. Interests. Then you can do lookalike audiences, and lookalike audiences are basically going to make lookalike audiences from your funnel, lookalike audiences from your Instagram followers, lookalike audiences from everything. And you're going to test different lookalike audiences with each campaign. So each campaign is going to have a different interest, different lookalike audiences, and it's going to test everything. You're going to have a ton of these ads just running. And the good thing about this is you're going to be able to see what's going to grow and what's going to fail. And when you see the ads failing, you're going to shut them off. After 4 days, if they're not running good and they have a high lead cost, or like they're just not running well at all, you're going to shut them off. And you're going to look for a cost per call under $300, depending on your niche. Like if you're in the coaching consulting niche, the cost per call is going to be like $300 to $500 for a qualified call. Sometimes it's even lower for people, depending how qualified they are. But if you're in like spirituality niche, meditation niche, or you're in like something that's super blue ocean, which means people are not too many people are in it, you're gonna see like $50, $100, $150, $200, something cheap, something really cheap. Even per qualified call, you'll get $200, $250 for a qualified call. If you're using highroast.com, you can see that. I'll get a link down below of that so you can check that out. But then you can track all your ads and all that stuff. And the thing is, like, when you test this way, the way I'm talking about, you can really start seeing faster what ads are going to work and what's not going to work. If you let an agency go, they're not going to test too much. They're going to be scared to spend your budget. If you don't have a budget, they're going to be spending too little to the point where they can't see what's going to win. And it's just going to take too long for you to get results. So that's why I recommend everyone in the business to run their ads themselves, because it's not as hard as you think it is. And if you get in the trenches and start running the ads, you can then really learn exactly the system before you hire anyone. And that's the key here. The key is for you to get good at it so then you can hire it out. Not hire a marketing agency where they don't care about you as clients. So that's why you need to do it that way. So if I were to give you more advice, and the next thing is like, you want, like I said, find ideas, test video, carousel ads, picture ads, see what's working best for you and focus on that. Let's pretend you launch 25 to 50 picture ads and nothing works. Then what's the point even launching more picture ads? You want to start, and let's say video ads are working better, then start launching more video ads. I mean, they're the ones that's working for you. Like I know people that picture ads are crushing it for them. I know people that video ads are doing really well. well. Like a lot of people run something called book funnels, and book funnels are where you're getting them to your school, basically landing page, which is the new Facebook groups, or there's people that are running to Facebook groups and they're running a book funnel. It's a picture with a book basically stating their offer, what they can do for you. So for example, I help spirituality coaches get more clients, and like they have their offer and they're running that to a school group or Facebook group, and that is working really well with picture ads. But some people are working video ads better for like make money online programs. So for example, if you are in the med spa niche and you're selling, people med spa stuff, video ads might work better for you. So that's why you need to test. So if you do ever end up making that mistake of hiring a marketing agency, then what you can do is you can see the exact method that's going to work in it and spread that knowledge to them. So for example, you can lay out the whole structure, like why this is working and why they need to do it too. But like I said, it's always better to hire an individual, hire them out of Brazil. Brazil is really good. Like I said, you can find someone that's already ran ads for another agency. You can hire these people for literally between $1,000 and $2,000 per month to run your ads for you. But they do need some training. Like they have the knowledge, but you need to train them really well. It's not like a couple day training. If you're going to give them your SOP, the SOP basically is a standard operating procedure, and it's going to show them exactly how to run the ads. You're going to give them a bunch of Loom video trainings. Then you're going to train them for a few weeks, and then you're going to watch that ad account consistently until they get good at it. And it's like you're training somebody to get good at it and ingrain them into your culture. Once you do that, they can start running ads really well. Another thing too is like if you don't like running ads, you can always hire your ads out to AI. There's a lot of AI sites out there. I'll put one down below. You can click that and you can start running some ads on there. The only thing you have to do is write some scripts. You can write some scripts with those key points I talked about earlier in the video, and then you can make AI basically do the scripts for you. They can talk about it. Once you get AI involved with the scripts, you can do 10, 20, 30, 50 plus ads like this, but you have to have the scripts in place, and an AI basically will be like, let's for example, look at me. Let's pretend I'm AI. It's an actual real person, and it just moves their mouth, and it moves their mouth to the script. It works really well. It's working really well for my company right now. It looks kind of fake on the mouth a little bit, but it's going to improve over time, and it's working so well right now. It's getting us book calls for like $150, $130, $200. That's per qualified call, and it's crushing it right now. So you can always hire that out if you're not a person that likes to record ads. You can hire that out to test that, but I suggest testing both. Testing yourself, testing AI, testing pictures, testing everything. And AI is great because I like to do half my ads with Kyle, which is me. I like to do like 50 to 100 ads a month with just my face, and then I'll do like 50 ads to 100 with AI, and I'll test everything to see what's going to hit off first. So I can do a script with Kyle, make 3 versions, use that same script, put it on AI, make 3 versions with AI, and you have 2 different faces with the same script, and you can see what's going to work better. This is the best method to use right now, and everyone, like, there's a few people doing this strategy right now, and I highly suggest doing that is using the script on you, making 3 different versions with the editor, then doing it with AI and having the AI crush it as well with that script. And you can then see, like I said, which face is performing better. And then also another thing too, if you have fatigue, some of your ads are dying, you can then get a face from AI and then hire AI to do that same script that's fatiguing with your face or the AI's face, and then put another face on it. So that's another great way to get more variations out there and get you scaling further. And guys, like I said, this is the way what I would do if I was in your shoes, and I hope you guys liked this video and you got a lot of knowledge from it. I am out here in Bali right now recording this video, and I wanted to share this knowledge as this video came up to mind when I was out here. And I hope you guys subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.